Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2017 Ford F-250. Stock number is A6696. Starting right away up front, you have easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, cloth interior. Center console folds up, making this a 6-seater. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch and a rear backup camera. A look at the bed liner here. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We are Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Climate control, and you have four-wheel drive controls here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this F-250 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.